And we're back. With another episode of Charlie getting his ass kicked.
Okay, there we go. On the last episode, we both died. I'm going to be someone that I'm actually good at this time.
Right, I'm going to be fucking
Luigi!
I'm going to be this emo over here.
Ike, I mean, you got to pick up your thing. Oh, there we go.
There we are. Did he just tell me to prepare myself?
You're controlling this thing. Prepare yourself.
Prepare yourself. Oh, where are you, Ike?
Make sure you prepare yourself. Oh.
I need that just before a date with you. Prepare yourself.
Just bring your Wii remote on a date with you. Why have you got that? Oh, it's just my hype man.
Take it for advice.
Prepare yourself.
Oh, I'm getting my ass kicked already.
Fuck.
Right, let's actually do something, bro.
Do something?
Yeah, let's fuck, bro. This guy.
Look at Luigi.
He's got like one move.
Fuck. I'm dying.
Bro, what is this spike?
Oh my god, I can't fucking talk.
Oh, huge.
Thanks.
Are you right? Have you just like got COVID or something?
I just swallowed a nut.
Wouldn't be your first.
A bit like your sister.
Oh, you shut the fuck up.
I'm dying, I'm so fucking sweaty.
What is this munch legs coming from?
Munch legs! I made myself laugh.
Bro, I hit
coughing.
the fucking munch legs and it fired me off into space.
Oh, stop coughing. Bro, I'm gonna die.
You're just a pussy, mate.
Yeah. That's what it is. Oh, I've just died. Literally, I've got a fucking nut right down my throat. Oh my god.
Fucking hell, I just got my ass kicked. Absolutely handed to me.
I just fell off by myself, I think.
Do you want to take... Fuck yeah. You're not supposed to eat the shell of the monkey now. You realise?
I need to swallow it.
Oh my god. This fucking picture of Luigi, man. He's fucking kamikaze in it.
I hope you kept talking.
I did for a little bit. I suddenly realised, oh shit, I've got to keep talking. So I started talking about Luigi.
Right, we're back. Let's go. How do we... Oh, for fuck's sake. There we go.
There we are.
Right. Oh, shit.
Bro, how do you do the special move?
I told you, you've got to collect that sparkly thing. Oh, my God. Oh, fucking shit, man. No! Oh, fuck.
Bro, he's... What sparkly shit?
There's a thing that floats across the screen, that circle thing.
That does it?
Yeah, you got to collect that.
Fuck it out.
Oh, fuck, we're getting dicked up.
Bro.
Fuck. Oh my god, I'm out.
You lost?
I'm out.
Bloody hell, how do you manage that?
Well, I walked off because I was talking. No, I was coughing, so I was just walked off.
Jeez, well, I'm pretty much out, right.
You got one more. You got one more to go. It's okay.
Right. Fuck. Oh, he's got a gun.
Yeah, he's American.
Oh, there it goes. There it bloody goes.
And we're just back to watching people.
Yeah, we suck at this fucking game.
Perfect. Perfect. This is boring. We got a bouncy thing on the side. Boing, boing.
What bouncy thing?
Right thing. Oh, it's on the side now, but it's not doing much. Shelter!
Just chilling, bro.
Fuck!
What is that house gonna do? It's a fucking trauma victim.
What Pokemon is that? I don't think I've ever seen that.
That's a Snorunt.
Okay. What game is that from?
Pretty sure it's from Diamond.
Oh, sick. We're playing that. Spoiler.
We're playing Diamond.
Well, we got... I think it's Platinum.
Calm.
The calm before the storm. Good one.
Oh, dude, that'd be a great name for like a roadman show. Like,
Would it?
it's like the calm before the storm.
I don't know about that. Maybe we shouldn't have put computer people on. Maybe we should just fight me and you.
Yeah, I thought
One on one.
Be a good shout.
Okay, we'll do that.
At least one of us will win then.
Yeah. At least, oh look, I've got dribble down me. That's good news.
You're gonna have to get your bib the next game.
Yeah.
I got 0 KOs again, bro.
I mean, yeah, same. And I've walked off this thing 3
Mine's
times.
3 falls. And you got 3 falls. We both fell off the thing 3 times.
Yep. Well, that's
Neither of
the
us
amount of
actually
lives
killed.
we have.
Oh, right.
Self-destruct is where you walk off by yourself.
Damage given 2. Jesus.
Yeah, man. Not very good. There'll be fun for clapping you in the end. Right, who are you going to be? We're going to be... I don't know how to use anyone other than Pikachu.
I'm gonna be Kirby because
Kirby's a
I don't
good...
like that noise. I don't like that noise.
No. Should we be Link? I don't really know how to use Link.
Sounds like a girl from a hentai.
Does it? Link?
Yeah, they all sound like orgasm noises.
I Link. Link.
That was such a good impression.
The German.
The German!
The German. Oh yeah, Link, you come in my ass.
Oh, wait.
German hentai. Hentai? What? Oh,
What the fuck?
Easy peasy. Oh shit, you've eaten me.
What do I do now? Oh, don't.
What do I do? Jump? What have I got to jump for? Ah,
What?
you
That's
mug,
out
you've
of
been
fuck.
slammed in the fucking ground. Oh, I just chucked it off the edge. Oh my god, I'm big. Not the first time I've heard
What
that.
does this do?
What does this do, dude? Are you drunk? Oh, fuck! Oh, he's only gonna die. Bah! Piss off, ghost. Piss off, ghost. Piss off, ghost. My name is Cook. I'm made of rocks, as you can tell. I just fired.
Oh, but
I've got an itchy nose. Fucking hell. You can itch that from a mile away.
do you have like a scratching stick for your nose?
Oh, you slut!
It's too easy, mate. It's too easy.
Shut the fuck up.
You shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck
Oh,
up.
you just lobbed my fucking sword at you. What are these bricks?
You're a brick.
You wouldn't know a brick if it hit you in the face.
I wouldn't know your mum if I hit you in the
I
face.
fucking hate you.
I hate you.
I wish you were dead.
So do I.
Bro.
What?
How do you get that thing?
You gotta smash it. Like that.
Oh no.
Whoop-a!
That's not good.
Oh fuck, I did the wrong way. Oh!
That was a waste, wasn't it?
Yes.
What the fuck is get it?
Yeah, fuck off, slag. Come on in. Come on in, you wanna fucking go?
You don't want the smoke, I'm telling you, you don't want the smoke.
You don't want the smoke. Oh, you're... La,
Oh, no.
fucking come for me. Oh.
Oh no!
Yes!
What the, why did it not put me back on the map? The map just came back and it just
Stop
dropped me off the
laughing
side.
at me. Perfect.
That's some fucking bullshit.
Mate, look at my fucking pose. Look at that. That's a Victoria.
Gave out so much more damage than you as well.
That is Victoria Vega, or whatever her fucking name is. Tori Vega. Right. You're one of those people who just don't press A after the fucking thing, and we just have to sit there and watch the screen for 12
You're one of
minutes.
those people who has 0 patience.
Oh my god, press A!
Are you in a rush? You got places to be.
I want to play another one. We've not got long left. I want to play another one. I mean, we could do one more episode, I suppose. It's more fun when it's just the two of us without getting dicked by other
absolutely.
people.
We could make them really shit.
But what does that do for us?
It gives us a bit of
Tell
self-esteem.
me what that does for us. I'm going to be... Who should I be?
So you can be 2 people. Is it like a double team here?
Who's Zelda? Oh no, it's one person. Did you know that you change from Zelda? Zelda is Sheik. They like are the same
Oh,
person.
right.
Oh right.
Bloody hell.
Oh rah.
Well, I'll be damned.
Rah, you must be joking.
What about these guys?
You got to be joshing me. Are you having me on? Are you tickling my pickle? Hey?
Oh, dude,
You're taking me for a ride.
So glad I didn't go to stay in private school. Charlie.
Oh
Charlie.
dearie me. I'm going to have some more popcorn. Fucking hurry up. I've chosen my sexy woman. Oh dear.
What?
Now I'm in for a treat.
You're in trouble, mate.
I am in trouble.
Where the fuck is the start button? Is there a start
It's the
button?
plus.
Oh, right. Well, I'll choose the map. Battlefield, Mario Circuit.
No. Fuck.
Look at my fucking trainer. He's just chilling under the fucking. What are you, pussy hole? Come on. Come on.
Come on, fucking fight me. I'll go
man.
and fucking kill him. Come on, bitch. Should we just team up? Oh shit, sorry. Team up on this. What the fuck is that?
Bro, that was powerful. Oh jeez, I'm getting battered.
You're getting digged. Do you think, since this is Peach, no, Mario Circuit, do you think Peach is fucking running around? Oh no, it's all Ghost.
Oh, shit.
I was gonna say there's two of us. Whoa.
Yeah, what the fuck
Stay
is
away from
Mario?
that.
Oh,
fucking shit.
I feel like most of my points in this game are going to come from you fucking up.
Yeah, you might. Whoa, you just fucking dodged that. Soar.
Oh, shit.
Haha, now what are you gonna do? Fucking die, that's what. Yeah, bitch.
Oh, man.
Whoop.
Fuck.
Yeah, now stay up there with. Okay, well there we go. He's just too
Where
powerful.
did he get his fucking rock from?
Whoa, did you see that? Knock someone out.
Why?
Fucking dodging me.
Oh no.
Da 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 da. Oh, this is cute. This is hentai.
You imagine if this turned to like a hentai scene with Squirrel.
She just starts fucking
Yeah.
shoves him up her fanny. Torching. Oh, good. Oh my god.
Bro, this guy's.
Whoa! I think we've chosen two very bad characters.
Yeah. They've got like one movie.
Da! Da! Shaka da! Da! Oh my god, the things that have taken me out the most are the fucking cars.
Oh, leave me alone,
mate.
I'm just trying to get this.
Izzy's really good at this game.
Is she?
She's a fucking don.
How can you be?
How can you be good? Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't know. It's literally just smashing buttons to see what happens. Oh look, you've just got the thing, so what do I do with that?
Oh, that's how we want to do it.
Hey!
Wait,
Dickhead,
what?
you got to press the 1 button. Or no, you got to press B when you're standing still. Okay, well there we go. I've been fucking killed.
You just press B.
Yeah. Holy fuck!
Jesus
I don't know why I
Christ.
stood there and took that. Like, yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Fuck!
no. You can't do
Peach is a
that,
fucking
so-
bad bitch, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, come on then. I've got a starry.
Bloody
hell,
hell.
man! Go off, Peach. I don't know how to get rid of this thing.
This thing only shoot in one direction. Fuck.
One Direction. They're back.
Zane?
Zane?
I'm trying to get behind you now. Oh, fuck. Come here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bang. Oh, okay.
Nice.
Why
Cheers,
did I-
appreciate that.
Yep, now it's an even playing field. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Me and my friend used to,
We're getting battered here.
when we used to play this, we used to do this shit and pause it.
Yeah.
And then try and look up her skirt.
Oh my god.
You can never
That's the
actually see
dumbest
it.
thing I've ever heard.
Should we try it? No, you
I can't believe we're
There's no
doing
way.
this. I think that's for the sake of everyone. No, I actually wanted to be Charizard. What are you doing?
No, can't. Sorry, I'm gonna stop pausing it. Come on then. I'll fucking kill you.
Is that a threat?
But yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh yes!
Oh shit.
He's only got on one.
This Pokemon trainer guy.
Fucking look at me waving at you. Hey, your shit.
What a squirrel. The squirrel can fuck off.
Your trainer's fucking devastated. It's like he's been told that his dad's died. And Squirrel's like, fuck yeah, your dad's died. Your dad's died. And Peach is like, I killed him. It was me.
Oh, this.
No, fuck. You killed my dad.
It's the dumbest thing.
Oh, God. Right, should we end that one? Goodbye, everyone. Next time,
I'll see you later.
dick in your ass.